In this video, I'm going to show you how I launched my third business from absolute scratch and landed my first paying client in just 7 days of starting it. In the past, I've built two successful businesses, scaled them to over four figures in revenue, worked with hundreds of founders over the world, and the third business that I've started is basically working with SaaS founders who want to grow a personal brand on X and increase their revenue on the product. And this is exactly how I landed my first paying client in my third business in just 7 days of starting to outreach. The first thing that I did was clearly define my ICP, which is a ideal client profile, which is basically, what person are you exactly targeting. Why this is important is because when you define an ICP, you also define their pain points, you define what obstacles they are facing in their journey, what is exactly the destination that they are trying to reach, and what does success look like to them. What this helps you is craft an offer which is tailored to only your ICP, which addresses their problems, talks directly to them as if you're just having a conversation, and also bridge the gap between the starting point, which is before meeting you, and the end point, which is the destination that you will help them get. The first thing that I did was define an ICP. The second thing is identifying what are the places that these people hang around. Now, obviously, by places they hang around, I don't mean physical destinations. They are the communities they hang around, which are basically on Reddit, it can be on X, it can be on Instagram, it can be on Facebook, LinkedIn, anything. Now, what I did was start as many conversations as I could. I just started replying to comments, questions, and started providing value as much as I could. Now, what this did was basically make me seem visible to all the people who are in the community, and all the people are ideally my ideal clients. They were the people that I wanted to work with in the future, and I started having conversations with them, not only in the communities but also in the TMs. The third thing that you have to do is pretty obvious. You have to start outreaching them. You have to start conversations. You have to start talking to them. You have to ask them about their problems. You have to ask them about their previous journey, what progress looks like to them, what success looks like to them, and what is the exact destination that they are trying to reach. In my case, it was mostly product growth, paying customers, and a stable MRR, which is a monthly recurring revenue. And the problem that I was solving was basically building a personal brand on X that leads to more paying customers, that leads to more visitors, that leads to more users on their product. The last thing that I would suggest is stay persistent. As soon as you land your first paying client, it's like everything changes, right? When you're not earning any money, when you're not, when you're just getting started, when you don't have any motivation to keep going. Why? Because you have not earned any money yet. The number one thing that most people quit on is just before their first win, just before landing their first paying client, and I don't want that to be you. Persist through the dip. Know that this journey is going to be tough. This is something that is very hard, very difficult. That is why it's worth it. That is why many people don't do businesses. That is why many people are stuck in the 9 to 5 forever, and they don't turn to something like an online business. They don't turn to something like building a skill which they can offer as a service in the future and probably earn a lot of money from. So this is exactly how I landed my first paying client in my new business, which was started from absolute scratch. I literally had no knowledge about the founders category. I had no knowledge about how to drive growth to their product, how marketing channels work. Nothing. I just jumped directly in. I started my business, landed my first paying client, and started working with him to get results. All right, that's it for the video. I'll see you in the next one. Now let's get back to work.